2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Catch that hip, catch that hip, catch that hip, catch that girl. Triple hip catch. 1, 2, hip, hip, hip. Triple step. We're going to show you the small, medium, large, and then we'll get you a chance to practice the small, medium, large. It looks like this. Leader's prepping the right foot, follows prepping the left foot. We did a side pass. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can do that again, rinse and repeat as many times as you want tonight. Even if you screw the feet up, the move still works. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We lift on 2, catching your hip on 3. 1, 2, 3. If the song's slow, you can do some quick hips. Usually the song's faster. I like to get the slow hips, playing a little peekaboo, catching this arm on the 3 of the 5. Leader's doing a sailor step, triple step, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We then showed you can do a cutoff whip into hip catches. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Catch the hip, putting the hand where the other hand used to be. Triple hip. Switching again, triple hip. Staying in place, triple step, offering her that hand. All 3 moves back to back, saucy, medium, easy. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Catch that hip, catch that hip, catch that hip, catch that girl. Triple hip catch. 1, 2, hip catch. Triple step, 1, 2, hip, hip, hip. Triple step. I've been DJ John Paul. This has been the lovely Lauren. Roundup Nightclub. Grab your guy, grab your girl. Let's go.